Have you ever stopped to think that what we throw away every day, what we call waste, could actually become one of the most important products of the future? These towering green banana plants, once the fruit is harvested, their thick stems are usually left behind, discarded, forgotten, left to decay. But hidden inside these overlooked banana stems is something extraordinary. Today, we're going inside a modern banana stem factory, where nature and engineering work side by side to create eco-friendly sanitary pads that are safe, hygienic, and sustainable. In this documentary, you'll see how agricultural waste is transformed through advanced engineering and material science into a premium feminine care product. This isn't just a factory tour. It's a story about innovation, sustainability, and how smart engineering can change everyday lives. Let's begin. Inside the modern banana stem factory.
Extreme macro shots reveal fiber networks forming microscopic channels. Fibers interlock naturally, creating pathways designed to pull liquid inward.
thin waterproof backsheet layers beneath the core. Ultrasonic bonding heads seal layers together without heat damage. Invisible energy does the work. The continuous sheet passes through rotary die cutters. Pads are shaped instantly. Edges are sealed cleanly. No fraying, no waste. Optical sensors scan each pad, checking alignment, thickness, and defects. Any anomaly is instantly rejected by air jets. Thousands of identical, flawless sanitary pads are produced every hour, moving at high speed toward the packaging lines.
Ensure these are wrapped tightly for the export shipment.
Will do. Confirming.
Cartons pass through sealing stations. Labels are applied cleanly. Each box becomes a finished unit, ready for the world.
The circ is complete.